Hey guys, what is up? This is Jake Omer16. I had to restart because Jake was being a little picky because I wasn't filming vertically, and I think my horizontally. Horizontally. Sorry, guys. It's if you look outside, it's still dark. Oh, it's still dark. It is 4:30 in the morning. So we are on the road right now. We're at a gas station to see an abandoned train with Eli's friend Johnny. He's happy to be here.
No, I'm not. I was paying.
Jake is.
They bought me for a nickel.
Jake. Jake is very asleep. He doesn't feel like talking right now. So yeah, we're really gonna go see an abandoned train, and it's gonna be really cool. We're all sticking out right now. We pretty much got no sleep. All right, but yeah, going on long enough. Yeah, that's long enough intro. But yeah, we'll do a time lapse, cool time lapse Jake thing or something like that, and it's gonna look really cool because Jake knows how to film a video. So peace out for now.
Thanks, Sonny.
So take me on with you, 'cause I just
North? Alright, we made it to the tracks. Now, we're gonna head up. Tired Johnny. It is, what time is it, Eli?
It is 6:36 a.m.
6:36 a.m. And we are in the middle of nowhere. The light is finally coming up. Dang. We're like what is that movie called, Donovan?
Is it great?
No, the one with the 4 kids on the railroad. Oh, Stand By Me. It's like us right now. Yeah. Keep running. Woo! Lit. Ah.
This is not a mile.
I see the train. I see the train. Ooh, creepy.
Guys.
Creepy.
There's graves.
Train is right there. I'm so stoked. But now we have to walk across this creepy freaking bridge. It's chilling.
Or as Johnny would say, is boolin'.
Cliff jump. Oh,
I missed.
a narrow challenge.
Wait, stay right there.
We have made it to the train. Lit. And dang, oh dang. That is vandalism, that is illegal.
I am a dirty boy.
It's Michael Van Meter. Dude, sick.
Oh, okay, that's creepy as.
Hey Donovan,
Yes, sir.
I have a secret.
What?
We better Uber everywhere.
Not funny anymore.
I called up my Uber, and this is what showed up.
Squeak.
Guys, we should. There's like a ladder.
Aw.
Oh,
That's Sam.
Oh.
How nice.
Like
We
dog.
are going upstairs.
Sam from Walking Dead, never forget.
Move.
Uber everywhere.
Top floor.
Do you think there's anything like left in these?
Hardcore parkour.
You fall, dude.
We are now venturing to the roof. You can do it.
Yes, I can. Ow.
Bob the Builder. Can we do it? Yes, we can. I don't know if those are lyrics.
No, something like that.
Lit. Dank meme.
What are you doing?
Hi. Keep on going. Lit.
Like we bank memes, graffiti, so I'm not gonna be
There.
Dude, Indiana Jones is like the guy that every little boy wants to be.
True extreme sport. Roof surfing. Donovan, why are you shirtless? It's like 40 degrees. Huh? SNW and TGN. How cute. Oh no!
What?
Whoa! Obama killed Harambe? What?
Oh my god!
Pistachios!
School busy.
Pistachios! Dude.
Some spray paint so we could write scuba scene here. To open door for emergency evacuation, pull red handle down.
Do it, you're a firefighter.
Well, why? The door's already open.
Nothing
The train
happened.
started moving. Oh my god.
Carney saw the burrito. Dude. What a champion.
Jake,
People drinking booze. That's illegal.
Oh no.
No. Not good. Whoa! Ugh! Nope. Okay, I just want to say, whoever is writing burritos is a true champion. I mean, Cali burrito.
Butt wrist.
But wrist.
Come to butt head.
Alright, what do you have to say?
Oh, alright, guys. So, here's a tip for all you ladies out there. If you ever want to win Jake's heart, all you have to do, just buy him a California burrito. I am not exaggerating. Okay, so there you go. Beep. On the road again.
Back on the road again. Back on the tracks again.
Yeah. Do you guys know the song Turn the Page?
Peace out, train. You were lit.
Cause I just wanna soar away until you're around, into your arms of love, oh Lord. Into your arms I'll go. Sometimes I just wish that I could fly away, 'cause you are mine.
Alright, so we are leaving the train now. That was super fun. Kind of crazy, it's only like 7:45 and we did all this and we still have the whole day ahead of us. And I apologize for not many talking clips like this, but I was kind of just amazed with the whole train thing, filming artsy shots, and not artsy shots, just like shots of like what was going on. What'd you think of it, Donna?
I really thought it was amazing. Just like to kind of, you don't see something like that every day, and I think it is pretty special to explore. Also, it was double-decker, and double-decker trains are always nice.
Yeah, so I really have no idea how this vlog looks right now. It could be really boring, it could be super cool. Who knows? But I think I might end the vlog right here. So thank you for watching, and thank you for Tanner Fox for the inspiration, because I saw this vlog of this and I was like, I'm coming here next weekend. So thank you. Peace.